The nature of commerce and financial services is rapidly transitioning into the digital realm. This transition, which has rested heavily on the advent and adoption of private e-monies, has facilitated tangible conveniences for citizens and measurable efficiencies for industry. Still, the economic and social gains of e-money have been limited, benefiting some but not all citizens, and raising uncertainties and risks for policymakers, innovators, investors, and consumers. Today, eCurrency offers a solution. eCurrency, a leading high-security technology company, has pioneered the world's first turnkey solution to securely issue and distribute digital fiat currency, replacing privately issued e-monies and operating as legal tender, alongside note and coin currency. Digital fiat currency is a legitimate, sovereign, monetary instrument issued by the central bank. Its distribution leverages existing payments infrastructures, and its standardized units and simple governance stimulates innovation within digital financial services. Digital fiat currency exists as a subset of M0. So with the advent of the eCurrency solution, central banks regain the reins of the currency system, encouraging stable economic growth and instilling a layer of protection to funds stored and transferred between citizens, businesses, and financial institutions. How does the eCurrency solution differ from electronic monies in place today? Imagine a nation's payment systems as a network of pipes. These pipes transport funds between institutions, businesses, and individuals. Today, the pipes carry a multitude of privately issued stores of value within closed systems. With the introduction of digital fiat currency, the pipes stay in place, but the privately issued e-monies flowing through them are replaced by a single unit of value, the eCurrency unit, a more secure, standardized, and interoperable instrument. Every user will now hold and transact with digital fiat currency in their electronic wallets. The issuance of a digital fiat currency powered by eCurrency creates a broad set of benefits for citizens, businesses, financial institutions, investors, central banks, and governments alike, creating a robust financial ecosystem. Central banks re-establish their role as the sole issuer of sovereign currency. Banks, non-bank financial institutions, and e-money providers are once again able to perform their distinct core functions, preserving their traditional roles. Citizens enjoy the security of a trusted currency instrument and the convenience of digital transactions. Entrepreneurs and investors stimulate inclusive growth with the standardization of a universal digital payment instrument and a predictable regulatory regime to govern its issuance and use. And even our planet benefits over time, as the process of printing, issuing, and distributing paper currency is reduced. eCurrency enables central banks to issue a digital fiat currency, securing the sovereign instrument as the nation's legal tender and promoting technology innovation, transaction efficiency, financial inclusion, and economic growth.